Hello engineers, this is Javed Khan. I'm electrical and electronics engineering graduate passionate about electronics, renewable energy, and automation. On this channel, I share practical engineering projects and circuits. So this is my first video. So in this video, I will demonstrate you how to build simple door all-around circuit using magnetic sensors. When the door closes, the sensors activate a BC548 transistor, which turns a buzzer and a red light to provide audio and visual indication. This is an easy and effective project for learning basic and electronic security systems. In these circuits, our simple core principle will be door alarm circuit uses a magnetic sensors that detect when a door is open or closed. When the magnetic field is broken, it means open is door. Here we go. Let's start our project.